Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. This is Prada's fall winter collection. I'm a little bit behind on some of my try-ons. So this is a 38. It definitely fits on the loose side, but I like my stuff big. So the lighting here is a little on the green side. So this does not look green in real life. It's a brown for sure. I'll try to move under the light. This is what it looks like in the back. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'll get the next. So this is the problem with sizing, right? Why these try-on videos are so helpful. I think this is also a 38, and color's great, logo's too big, shirt's too big, but you can see what it looks like. Nice feeling cashmere though, for people looking for alternative designers to the ones I usually show on this channel. So it's really hard, right? Because this is when we start buying for spring, summer, but this is a 38. I like the button detail, but that's it, nothing else. And if I find anything else good, well, I'll show you what I'm not trying, and you can see what you think. Along with everything here. This dress, no way. These shorts, have them in a few colors. I do like them. Just kind of over the design, too many of them. So let me know what you think. Take care.